What's up? So I wanted to make a video asking you guys because I need your help. What I need your help in, ideas and topics to talk about. You know, it's February, we're moving things forward. I don't have my fancy setup, so we're not using condenser microphones and processors and softboxes for light. I'm a man in a room with a microphone on my chest and a camera in front of me. And this video is not really about me, but how I can help you. So my ask is for you to drop in the comments below, what are some of your pain points as a music producer or as an artist? And I will look at them, and if there's something I can really talk on, or at least try to help, I want to do that, make videos just talking about those topics in the meantime. And if there's a way that I can help with that, I'd like to help with that, with this format, till I get my setup. And I'll probably do it some more there still, but you know, I've been reflecting. You know, you always have time to reflect, right? So in my reflecting, I'm thinking, well, shoot, what can I do to give you a better experience on this platform that can serve you? So I figure, yeah, just tell me what your questions are. If you got questions about stuff or anything, no question is too stupid. There's no stupid, or even if you think it's like obvious, like I know it's obvious, but don't be afraid. You know, I'm here. One thing I know I like to do is I like to make videos. It just so happens that YouTube is around, but before YouTube around, I liked making. I just like making stuff. I can't help myself. I like to make things, make content, just make, because sometimes I get a thrill out of it, or it helps me, but then sometimes it helps someone else. So this is just my short ask and short call for you to create, for you to help me to create content, and tell me what are some things that are on your mind that you want to talk about, or something that maybe I can help you with. All right, so that's a short video, and we're just going to keep going. You know, I'm not really going to so much focus on views and subscribers, but if I can just help someone, if I can provide some sort of form of coaching or some advice, right? So here's your chance. It's February. Let's go. I'm looking forward to see what kind of topics you got. And if I feel like, if I believe, or if it looks like something that I can probably help with, I'll probably make a video to talk about it, just like this. All right. You're watching Dilio T2K YouTube channel. I'm Dilio. See you later.